Well, 2025 for our government is going to be the year that you as the average Manitoban start to see big steps on homelessness. And what I can tell you about what we've been doing since the election, led by Bernadette Smith, the Minister of Housing, Addiction and Homelessness, is we've been building up the housing stock and the buildings that we need to move people from tents into housing and then to get them the services of addictions and mental health and other things so that they can actually stay in housing and not end up back in a tent in the future. So I think we're at a point now where in the first few months of 2025, those units are going to come online, and then we're going to be able to go out into the community and start housing people and adding the supports that they need to be more successful.
Projected deficit for this fiscal year is up $500 million.
Yeah.
That makes your job of balancing the budget in this term a lot more difficult.
Yeah.
Why won't you adjust your timeline to balancing the budget?
Well, I think it's important that Manitobans see that we're serious about balancing the books, and it is going to take a lot of hard work on our part, but I think a few things that I point to is, one, we're showing that we're serious about the investments in healthcare. When we look at what the pressures are, it is about making sure that we get healthcare right and the right level of resources for healthcare after, years of seeing the healthcare staff go through deterioration and challenges and cuts and things like that. So that's one big priority. And then the other, reason for optimism is that the economy is growing. And you see that in the debt to GDP number getting better, even within the year from when we brought the budget in. So it shows you that we have an economy that's moving in the right direction, even if Manitobans are still living through that high cost of living.